Yes, hi. Good afternoon. If you are opening this webinar in the afternoon, good morning if good morning ninyo na nakita na webinar, and good evening if gabi ninyo na nakita na webinar. By the way, my name is Karen. I am the owner of Green and Simple Laundry Solutions. Green and Simple Laundry Solutions is the business that sells the machine. And if you found our Facebook ad, you probably found it from our Facebook page, Daisy Clean Laundry, which is our laundry shop. Okay. Just a little backgrounder lang. I started the business as a laundry shop owner again. Okay. I did not start out as someone who sells the equipment. Ang pagbaligya na mo og equipment is actually, it just happened by chance because when we were operating the laundry business, daghan mi og mga customers nga ga-inquire about our machines because most of them are wondering nganong wala may mga LPG outside of our shop, and wala sad may water tank ato nga time. Since among area okay ang tubig, so wala may nag-use po ng water tank. So walay sapa halos sa shop. We've had a lot of inquiries about the machine. Murag, it opened kuan ba, murag opportunity for us to be able to sell the machines. So the brand that we're carrying is actually EcoWave Hybrid. So EcoWave Hybrid are machines that are from Europe. So if you talk about Europe, sila jud ang grabe sa energy efficiency. And our machines are in fact rated 9 plus plus, A plus plus, sorry, A plus plus, and you would only get that if the machines are very, very energy efficient. So our machines is the only brand in the market na pwede i-solar. And in fact, our laundry shop in Nazareth, Cagayan de Oro, is operated by solar energy. Pero optional na siya ha, optional. If you don't have the budget yet of setting up a laundry shop na naay solar pod na setup, that's also fine. You can actually connect the machine still from the local grid. Okay? Just to give you a background about the machine, the machine that we have is EcoWave Hybrid. The highlight of the machine is it is the most power or energy efficient electric machines in the market. Okay. Why we say it's the most? Because our machines for the rated power, for some models it is 800 watts, and our latest models, the ones on the screen, dryers are 200 watts lesser. Okay, so before it's 850 watts for the previous model. This one, the dryers are only operating on 650 watts. So kami lang ang dryer in the market that can deliver 100% dryness. Okay, kami lang ang electric dryer in the market that can deliver 100% dryness using only 650 watts of power. Okay, and for our washing machine, namang washing machine only operates 400 watts sa mga labang mode, or if you're washing clothes. Okay, the only time that it will use a higher power is if mag-dry clean ka, which only happens once a month. So that's why our washers are rated at 1,950 watts. Okay, once a month ra na magamit ang 1,950 watts. So both dryer and washing machine, if you stack up the rated power, washing machine is 400 if maglaba, and then the dryer is 650 watts. So you're talking only 1,050 watts for the entire set. Inana siya ka energy efficient. So that's why it can be operated by solar. Okay, just to give you an idea as well, tong wala pa na operate amuhang laundry shop using solar energy. We have 8 sets in our shop. Okay, 8 sets of the machine, 8 dryers, 8 washers, and we have a 2.5 horsepower air conditioning running in our store 12 hours a day. Our range for electrical consumption is only about 12,000 pesos. So if mosaka po ang amuhang number of loads, we wash around 500 loads per month, 400 to 500, sometimes 600. If mosaka kayo ang among number of loads per month na galaban, then we will be looking at around 14,000. So can you just imagine 8 sets of machines plus 2.5 horsepower nga aircon, and then it's operating 12 hours. So we're only ang average lang gid namo is 12,000 per month. So inana siya ka energy efficient. Okay? And on the newer model, our shop is using the older models pagani there 800 watts. On the newer model, which is 650 na lang yun ang dryer, 650 watts na lang. Then all the more na mas power efficiency. Okay? And you can also enjoy solar power compatibility. So if your budget permits later on, then you can also go solar. So that means your cost to operate would be very, very close to zero. Sabon na lang yun ang halos imong magasto sa isa ka load. So can you just imagine the potential? And by the way, we already have over 200 customers in all over Mindanao. We have different areas in Mindanao that nakapalit na sa amo og mga inani na types of machines. And so far, okay, some of our customers have even expanded up to 3 branches na. Some customers 2 branches na. Okay? Ang only setback, no, dili man sad perfect atong machine. Ang only setback lang sa machine, which we openly tell our clients, is longer lang gid iyang drying time in terms of if you compare it to LPG. Okay? So if you're talking about LPG, mag-allowance gyud kag another 30-40 minutes if you're talking about electric dryers, our dryers, but it is 100% dry. Our machines would stop, actually automatically stop if na-sense niya nga dry na ang clothes. Unlike LPG machines na manually imong i-check ang clothes. Ours, it will stop if uga na. Okay, so that's one of the advantages. Another one will be the kind of output for our dryers. For printed clothes, katong mga naghan print, dako ang chance nga masunog na siya if you're using mga LPG dryers, and kinahanglan pud ang gamantay sa imong shop are very experienced na, or else there's a good chance for them to actually burn clothes or ma-shrink ang clothes, because the difference is ours is not operating on kanang nabitay open fire. So ours is operating on a different technology na i-heat niya ang air sa drum, i-circulate niya, and then naay mechanism dito nga mag-extract sa na-evaporate na moisture. So naay gamay nga drain ang ato ang dryer. So that's why the output dili siya masunog, dili siya kumpot. Actually mura siya o pinalansa, even ang mga pantalon. Very, very different output when you talk about LPG. And of course, another thing that we want to highlight about our machines is the safety. Okay? So, dili kay tagatagdon sa mga fire department. Akong store is operating pa 3 years na. So, murag every year nga na-inspection, murag dili kay sila samok-samok samo, because they know for a fact nagagagmay og watts, and then we are not using LPG. So, wala kayo daghan samok ana nga part in terms of mga government nga mga agencies that would inspect your store. Okay? So, that's the advantages. And for our laundry business package. So this is the package for 3 sets, meaning 3 dryers, 3 washers, 10 kilograms capacity each. So cost would be 420,000. So if you buy a package from us, if tulo imong paliton, daghan kay siyang inclusions. That's why our customers would always buy 3 sets. So appeal na dito ang mga training sa imong staff. If you're from Cagayan de Oro, we would be able to visit you. Sa mga adjacent nga mga lugar nga doon sa Cagayan de Oro, we would be able to visit you to train your staff. Or if not, if it's not possible, then we actually have some tutorial videos na pwede gamiton sa imong staff that they can watch over and over again sa ilahang own nga time. para ma-learn nila how to operate the machines. Okay? So, another part of the package is naanay POS. So, it means naanay printer, naay software, naay automatic cash drawer. So, isip-islit na lang nga mag-transact ang inyong mga staff, and you can also monitor the sales because the same app can be installed in your phone para maano sad siya, para ma-monitor ninyo on your side. Kaya appeal na ang weighing scale. We would also provide you laundry operations manual. And then for the install, okay, it used to be nga ang amuhang mga package na included nga installation. But sa among experience, when our customers sees nga giunsa lang gyud pag-install, because since gagmay kay watts, you actually just need one electrical plug per machine. So if you're talking tulo ka set, so unom ka electrical plug, one per dryer, tulo man ang dryer, and then one per washer kay tulo ang washer. And then since gagmay kay siya watts, you would actually just need a regular outlet sa wall for you to power the machines. So daghan kay mi customer, since we provide the electrical diagram, the plumbing diagram, the videos, the pictures, ana, since the provide may ginana, sila ang ga-install and they just call us if they need guidance. But we also have we offer install po, and we only charge the labor cost. Sa customer side na ang materials nga kinahanglan. Okay, ang materials roughly give and take around 50,000 ang materials. Ang labor depende gyud sa complexity. So, ang labor is around 50 to 70,000 depende kung unsa ka complex, unsa ka layo. And that will include imuhang electrical lines, water lines, ang drain pipes, included ang pag-install sa water tank, pressure tank, and of course pag guide sa imuha how to install the machines properly. Okay, so that's optional for us, the install, because like 99% of our clients actually install with their own electrician and plumber lang. Okay, so we don't have problems but if the client would go that way. Okay, so power consumption na computation. So we put here in our example 800 watts. Okay, for the sake of example, we will use the model nga higher of capacity, although the newer ones is only 650 watts. So just for the sake of example, para put na aga may allowance, we will just use the 800 watts computation. So if 800 watts ang machine, it will consume 0.8 kilowatt if you operate it for 1 hour. Okay, this is for the dryer. So if for example, tagaan lang gid nimong allowance na 2 hours imong dryer. So if 12 pesos per kilowatt CDO rates, if 12 pesos per kilowatt, it means na 9 pesos and 60 cents per hour. Okay, ang imuhang pag-operate sa dryer. And ang washer, since half lang ana, 800 watts, ang washer is 400 watts. So you can safely say nga half lang ani. So less than 5 pesos ang sa washer. Okay? So by the way, mo ni ang install di ay natin. So we will send you these videos. Okay, we will send you these videos. So electrical plug, water lines. So mo lang dyan niya ang ginagawa. Okay, moving on to the computation. So mo ni atong computation for the cost per load. Okay, so the cost per load, for example, 2 hours gyud ang atong ihatag nga allowance for drying. So that will be 19 pesos and 20 cents. For the washer, for example, 1 hour gyapon atong ihatag nga allowance. That's 4 pesos and 80 cents. For the consumables, ang water gitaganang na akong allowance 35 pesos, detergent 8 pesos. So other fixed cost would be your labor. So for example, 10,000 ang sweldo sa imong staff per month. Then dala pa mo og 500 loads per month, then 20 pesos per load ang labor. So how I came up with 500 loads. So for example, 3 sets, mula ba lang imong isa ka set og 5 loads per day. So times 3, 5 times 3, so you have 15. So since a laundry shop operates 30 days a month, so 15 times 30, so that's around 450 loads. But since ga up and down ang atong load on weekend, Daghan man magpalabas, so I'll just give it an allowance. So instead of 450 loads, butang lang ako 500 loads per month. So this is gonna be your number nga ma-come up. So ang example lang nako there is medyo mahal ang rent, 15,000 because this is from my store. So kung 15,000 ang rent divided by 500 loads, so nabutang kong 30 pesos ang rent cost per load. Okay? So maintenance sa machine, gibutakan lang nako diri og 900 pesos ang maintenance divided by 500. So you will add 1.80, 1 peso and 80 cents per load sa maintenance allowance. Okay? So adding all the costs, ang imuhang per load is 88 pesos and 80 cents. Okay? So if your full service 7 kilograms is 180 pesos, you're talking about 50.67 margin. So okay, so medyo decent yun ang margin sa laundry business. That's why daghan kay cooperate of laundry shops lately. Okay? For the summary, monthly summary, for example, you're making 500 loads per month, 180 pesos per load. So that's 90,000 gross sales. So kuha na to tanan ng cost. Kaya gibutang na ako diri tanan tong mga computations nato earlier. So the total cost para malabhan nimo ang 500 loads per month is 44,400. So less sa imong gross na 90,000, so na kay mga net na around 45,600 if ang imuhang isa ka set maglaba og 5 loads per month. So this is actually a conservative estimate. So mag-capital kag 420,000, but your 420,000 pwede mo kita og 45,000 per month, which will not happen if you just let the money sit in the bank. Okay? So ROI computations, mga around 9 months ang ROI computation nato. Ang machine cost diri wala pa na-update, 390,000, but we had the price increase earlier like around March or April tingali to. So nag 420,000 na. So it used to be ang ROI computation is 8.55 per month. But i-compute na ko earlier, it's now around 9 months na for ROI since nagsaka gamay because of the shipping ni nagsaka gamay ang atong machine cost. Okay? So these are some of our customers. Okay? So among old models, they are white and gray. Gray ang washing machine. Mo ni siya ang mga older models na mo. So these are some of our customers. Actually, we have a lot. Dili lang yun maigo sa slide. So gamay lang akong gi-include. And then some of our customers using the newer machines, manotice ni mo na mga white, all white. Those are the newer machines. Mga recent na mo ni nga mga customers all around Mindanao. Okay? Kaning isa na mo ka-customer nga kaning second branch na niya. So the branch out na gid ang ba na mo customers. One of our customers nga nasa Davao area, tulo na iyang branch. All of it using our machines. They like the machines because dili kayo volatile ang presyo sa kuryente. So dili siya pareha sa LPG that would increase, especially if may mga okasyon, Pasko, masakang LPG and you cannot even move your cost. Diba? Dili man ma-move ang price sa imuhang baligya. So mas better option sa ila. And some of our clients are also thinking later on they can upgrade to solar. Okay? So kani siya, some of our clients who are operating grabe jud ang puno-puno ilang mga shops. So some of our customers are like this ang situation nila sa ilang shop. And then one of our customers naglaba og simple gown ug barong here the right side siya. Maka dryer tag mga inana, mga simple gowns lang. Ay lang pud kung sobra-sobra pud ka ball gown. Okay? And warranty, 1 year parts and service warranty. So I would just like to highlight nga atong machines need og AVR, okay? Because we're trying to protect the machine from mga fluctuations because makadaot siya og machine actually. So required gid siya mag AVR. And for warranty, dili ma-warranty ang machine actually if walay AVR. Okay, so it's really a requirement nga mag AVR. So ang isa ka set, we would recommend 5,000 na AVR. I-share na sa isa ka washer, isa ka dryer. 5,000 watts na AVR ang gamiton. Okay? So what is covered sa warranty? All factory installed parts, labor and charge for repair or replacement of defective parts. So if na may mga issues, we can also do remote troubleshooting. Pwede mo mag-send og video sa mo if na issue, and then we can help you online, labi na if layo mo. Or if not, if dili gid to masulba, then on-site technician. So we would just ask you to cover the transportation of the technician if they visit you, if layo mo from Cagayan de Oro. Okay? So all the parts are available from us also. Okay? So if you have any questions, feel free to message our Facebook page, or you can also contact me aning a number. Okay? And I'd be happy to assist you in any of your questions. Okay? Anyway, thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a good day.